Today we talk about how can you delete accounts on your PaybyPhone app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When just clicking this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on account settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on delete account. When you just click here on delete account, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on delete account here. When you just click on it, you give them a reason, then it's going to delete video automatically on your PayByPhone app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I give it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.